Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about and show you one of the rarest examples of a given name car that we just got in today. Talk to you in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about one of our latest acquisitions, and it's probably one of the rarest cars we've had in a long time. It is a last year for the Ford Edsel. It is a Edsel Ranger convertible. Now, I have to admit, I have not seen very many of these, if ever any, and according to all the records, a grand total of 76 of these were built in the last year of Edsel production. So if you want something that not everybody else has in the world, even back in 1960 no one had one, to have one today is even more special. And we have it right here on the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars. You can check all of our inventory at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, which will give you an example of close to 100 cars and trucks and street rods and muscle cars and resto mods that we currently have on the market right now. But anyway, we just acquired this car. Beautiful, beautiful red, which is its original color from the factory. One of those interesting things for Edsels, they painted the inside of their hubcaps to match their car, also the rim. So you have kind of a very unique full hubcap with, of course, the wide white wall tires, which would have been absolutely correct for 1960. Beautiful chrome all the way around. Obviously, Ford changed their mind a little bit with the way the original 1958 Edsel looked. This looks very similar to actually a 1960 Ford, but yet it's distinctive enough to know that, no, this is not a Ford, this is actually an Edsel. Beautiful interior in this car, done correctly with the bench seat, with the two-tone red and silver interior. Beautiful steering wheel, horn ring still is in perfect condition. Even has its original AM radio that I turned on the other day, and it just works fine. You can listen to your favorite AM stations right here in your Edsel. Power top, of course, white vinyl top that goes down. Nice back window in really good shape. Has a red boot to go on top of it, so you can, when you put the top down, you can really be going in style and going down the road with the wind blowing through your hair. To me, one of the niftiest things on one of these cars are the tail lights on this. I mean, I just have to look at that and go, you know, I just don't remember hardly ever seeing one of these, and I guess that's why it's one of those interesting cars. If you're a collector or if you're someone who wants something that not everybody else has, we've got it right here at Ellingson's. It's a 292 V8 power steering car, automatic, easy to drive, jump in, turn the key, boom, starts right up. Original miles on this car is in the mid 70s, so it wasn't from Minnesota, by the way, so it's really nice and clean all the way around. Take a look at the pictures online. They are really nice. You can also look at our pictures on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Make us a favorite. Lots of interesting stories and little venues and of all the cars that we've had over the years. You can also come in. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. There'd be nothing better than have you come and look at it in person. We'd love to have you look at it, because many a customer have told us it's really nice with your videos and your pictures, but seeing them in person, they always are nicer than what your pictures portray them. So give us a call, take a look online, look at other sources. We'd love to have you come and take a look here right at Ellingson's in Rogers, Minnesota.